Welcome to RB Automatic. Today I have a cheap method of putting on a tire at home. This way you can save some money and use that money to fund other projects or to just save. So once you prop up the tire, you want to put one lug nut at the top and one at the bottom. You do this so that way the wheel is even. Once the wheel is even, you can start in a start pattern to put the other lug nuts on. Make sure you put them hand tight. That way you can proceed to the next step of putting them on with a socket. When you put them on hand tight, you're actually making sure that the wheel is even. Also, when you put it on hand tight, you're actually making sure that the threads don't get cross-threaded. When the threads get cross-threaded, it creates a bigger problem. Bigger problems means more money, and we're trying to save here. Grab your socket, a long extension, and a ratchet. Follow the start pattern, that way the wheel is even as possible. The longer the extension, the better leverage you have, that way you can create more torque. You want to continue to follow the start pattern. In this step, you want to take your torque wrench, set it to the correct torque specs of your wheel lug nut. You want to follow the start pattern and tighten the wheel lug nuts down to the correct. This was a cheap, fast, and safe method on how to change a tire at home. Thank you for watching RB Automatic, and please make sure you like and subscribe, and continue to follow me for some amazing content. Thank you.